Come on, test yourself now.
Question 1. What is the basic speed law? You must always drive at the posted speed limit. You should never drive faster than is safe for current conditions. The minimum speed is 45 miles per hour on freeways. You can exceed the speed limit to pass other cars. The correct answer is you should never drive faster than is safe for current conditions. Question 2. This sign warns of a T intersection ahead, a side road entering from the right, a dead-end street, a roundabout. The correct answer is a T intersection ahead. Question 3. You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is 15 miles per hour, 20 miles per hour, 25 miles per hour, 30 miles per hour. The correct answer is 15 miles per hour. Question 1. This sign means no passing from either side. Passing is allowed if the way is clear. You may pass from the other side. A passing zone is ending. The correct answer is no passing from either side. Question 2. When can you legally drive in a bike lane? When you are within 200 feet of a cross street where you plan to turn right. As a regular traffic lane during rush hour. To pass a vehicle turning left. Never. The correct answer is when you are within 200 feet of a cross street where you plan to turn right. Question 3. This sign indicates you are on a slippery road. The road ahead is for trucks only. A steep upgrade is ahead. The maximum safe speed for a curve or turn. The correct answer is the maximum safe speed for a curve or turn. Question 1. A curb painted blue means parking for disabled persons with a placard. Loading zone for passengers or mail only. Loading zone for freight or passengers. No stopping or parking. The correct answer is parking for disabled persons with a placard. Question 2. This sign means the road ahead is closed. Detour for all traffic. Flagger ahead. Men at work. The correct answer is flagger ahead. Question 3. If you are driving and a dust storm blows across the freeway causing reduced visibility, you should slow down, turn on your headlights, and pull off the road. Speed up to get through it quickly. Stop in your lane. Turn on your hazard lights and continue at the same speed. The correct answer is slow down, turn on your headlights, and pull off the road. Question 1. What does this sign mean? The road ahead has two sharp turns in opposite directions. The road is slippery. A winding road is ahead. A sharp turn to the left. The correct answer is the road ahead has two sharp turns in opposite directions. Question 2. Two sets of solid, double, yellow lines that are 2 or more feet apart may be crossed to enter or exit a private driveway. May not be crossed for any reason. Should be treated as a separate traffic lane. Designate a passing zone. The correct answer is may not be crossed for any reason. Question 3. This sign indicates the beginning of a divided highway, the end of a divided highway, a two-way street ahead, a one-way street begins. The correct answer is the end of a divided highway. Question 1. A diamond-shaped sign is a regulatory sign, warning sign, guide sign, railroad crossing sign. The correct answer is warning sign. Question 2. This sign means cars must merge right. The right lane is ending ahead. An added lane begins on the right. A sharp right turn is ahead. The correct answer is the right lane is ending ahead. Question 3. To avoid last-minute moves, you should be looking down the road to where your vehicle will be in about 5 to 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, 15 to 20 seconds, 20 to 25 seconds. The correct answer is 10 to 15 seconds. Question 1. This sign is used to indicate a place where U-turns are permitted, a roundabout ahead, a circular intersection, a one-way street. The correct answer is a place where U-turns are permitted. Question 2. What is the first thing to do when you are involved in a collision? Move your vehicle out of traffic if possible. Call your insurance company. Stop and check for injuries. Exchange information with the other driver. The correct answer is stop and check for injuries. Question 3. A curb painted red means stopping or parking is not allowed. Parking for disabled persons. Passenger loading zone. Commercial loading zone. The correct answer is stopping or parking is not allowed.
Watch the next test on the channel. Goodbye.